time, a long time I'm away. But no matter how many breaths I take, I can't catch up. It's raining down on me. Without you here, I just can't see. I need some clarity. Let's take a walk, let's take a stroll. This heart is racing out of control. This empty home is getting old. The hour hand on the clock seems to be stuck on 3 a.m. and it won't move for all the time in the world. But it's not too late. If you're out there, then hope's not lost. Stay a minute, if this is a song. Hear me out, listen to these words. I swear I'll be yours for forevermore. And all you have to do is say I love you too. I'm not moving a single inch until you sweep me off my feet. This heart needs something worth keeping beat for, something to tap its feet for, and when it speeds up, something to calm it down and make sure it's secure. If you're out there, then hope's not lost. Stay a minute, 'cause this is a song. Hear me out, listen to these words. I swear I'll be yours for forevermore. And all you have to do is say I love you too. Forgive my cluttered speech, my loss for words, my stuttering. I need it. I want this love to last forever. Forget the past. By the old green parkway, kiss me on the lips before the night too dark. Just wait for me. If you're out there, then hope's not lost. Stay a minute, 'cause this is your song. Hear me out, listen to these words. I swear I'll be yours for forevermore. And all you have to do is say I love you too.
They were cute on the inside too. Wow. Thank you. That was really cute.
Thanks.
So why do you say that was written for a girl? Like,
what?
Like you said that was.
Oh no, it was written for a girl to sing.
For a girl to sing.
Yeah, it's
so you.
a little touchy, too touchy for me to sing, and then the guitar's a little complicated for me.
So girls can do it better.
Well, it's just easier if I concentrate on playing guitar and then the girl sings. Because it feels a little bit too much like I'm double tasking on that song if I sing and play.
I see. see. Wow, cute. So, like if I was the girl singing the song, I want this love to last forever and say I love you too.
Yeah.
Say I love you.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, I think we can end the show there. So I'm gonna get that skating video too. Is there anything else we should talk about? Do you love him too? It's so good. Oh my god. So do you have a tape?
No tape.
No tape?